Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people in which part of the world you day. Today me over one of my friend house, and it make one sit me yes so will take me down a memory lane. How much I remember back in the day when no grandparents or elderly or anybody never have oil and they would have need them flour and then make roast dumpling. Yes, you roasted dumpling right in a pot, yes so. All you have to do is just knead up your flour, put them in a pot, and sometimes some people that just put it dust pot cover panny just to get a little moisture, but must do it, Yes man, and this I go on for breakfast over here today. And then you see the dirty girl now, you have two dirty girl and a heat now. I go do it. We are going to heat it now with the roast dumpling them. Yes man, we Jamaicans know how to turn it and make fashion. And then over here so now we have a little piece of pear. Yeah, I don't like it pear we get at Jamaica. Then I pear because not foreign. So what me I go do here now? Let me get my plate. Pass me my plate there. And what is going to happen here so now is that me is going to take out my roast dumpling that me roast in the pot. Yes, no oil, very healthy. You know if you have oil to make dumpling. I know always fry dumpling. This is healthy eating. And then you take little your dirty girl. Yes man, fry up with your scallion and your tomato and your pepper. And then see if you go cut a little piece of pear and yam this for breakfast. Oh, can nice. So my people, drop a line below and tell me, you don't have any of them your memories here? As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, or night in which part of the world on a day. Now, I'm going to have a little breakfast.